Hey guys, I'm Martin and today I want to talk about tools instead of code, and I mean the Chrome DevTools. So over the past month I spent a lot of time switching browsers and trying all the different DevTools in Chrome, in Firefox, in Safari, and I always come back to Chrome. So I thought, why not show off the Chrome DevTools, and in particular the device mode in the Chrome DevTools. So let's get started. The Chrome DevTools device mode. So you activate it with this little button, toggle device mode. You can also hit Command Shift and M and you get this view. So basically there is a ruler on the top and on the left side and a few different settings. So what you can do is you can select a device, and the Chrome DevTools will emulate this device as good as they can, but don't trust it in every special case. So make sure that you also test on the actual devices and not only in the Chrome DevTools device mode. So, but you can, for example, pick the Apple iPhone 6. It resizes the window and puts the right screen sizes in, and the device pixel ratio of 2 in the portrait mode, and also updates the user agent string. So then we reload the page and we can see we have this small layout. So this is cool. You can put a few different devices in here, and you can also resize it on your own, or just switch if you have the device selected from portrait to landscape. That's nice, but I often also just make the screen as wide as it needs to be, and the DevTools can stay like they are. You don't have to move the DevTools to resize the browser viewport. So while this is nice, you can hit this button, reset all overrides, and go back and reload the page. Everything's good. So now you can also just use a few of these as you see fit. For example, I'm often using the laptop with the MDPI screen. So this only sets the screen size, but I can manually move the sizes and make it smaller, or squish the side down, and then I can try out, for example, the Retina screen. So I'm on the cinema display, which is a 1x screen, but if I want to try out if my responsive images are working, I can just put here the device pixel ratio of 2 in, can then reload the page, and now we can see I'm loading a bigger image, 1600 pixels wide, and the image is just 800, or about 800. Yeah, if you can see, if I reload with 1 for the pixel ratio, I only load the 800 pixel image. So this is nice. We can emulate a higher DPI screen, which is awesome. And then we have this little button here, the media queries button. You can see 3 media queries found. If you hit it, if you click it, you can see the different media queries which are found in the CSS files which are loaded on the site. And the blue ones are max width media queries, and the orange ones are the min width. You can hover over it and you can see which ones they are, and you can also hit right click, reveal in source code, and go to the file in the DevTools. But with minified CSS file, that's not really helpful. But it's nice to see how many different media queries you are using, and which media query is active. You can see it if it is saturated or not, and that can be very helpful. Then another great thing about the device mode is the network throttling. You can say, hey, I'm at home or in the agency and I have an awesome internet connection, but I want to try if my site is already loading very good on a regular 4G connection, maybe you can choose it there, reload the page, and you can see it's a lot slower. You can do the same in the DevTools under network and in the throttling dropdown. If throttling is enabled, you have a little warning sign on the network panel tab, which is nice. You can also add your own custom presets. Then the DevTools will open the settings throttling section, and you can add a custom profile name, my connection, can put in the throughput. Let's say you want to try a fast fast connection, but with a high latency. Maybe, I don't know. You can try whatever you want and save it and then select it in the dropdown. I haven't used this at all, but maybe I should. I'm not sure. I'm just using the presets to try if the site is working on slow and bad connections. Yeah, so that's basically everything you need to know about the Chrome device mode. I think it's very handy to select a few different screen sizes to try out the device pixel ratio thing without needing to have really a 3x or 2x display. And network throttling is also a very nice addition. And also just having the DevTools on the right or on the bottom and in a fixed size, and just being able to resize the viewport is very nice. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.